when it comes to keyword research. So the process of finding good keywords to target. A great free tool you can utilize is Google's Keyword Planner. Now, Google Keyword Planner is actually a tool built within Google Ads. So to access this tool, you do need to sign up for a Google Ads account, which of course is completely free as well. So once you sign up for a Google Ads account, what you need to do is click Tools and Settings at the top, and then go over to the column where it says Planning, and click the Keyword Planner option. This is going to give you two different options. Option 1 is to discover new keywords, and option 2 is to get search volume and forecast. So we want to use option 1, discover new keywords. So let's give this a click. This is now going to open a page which looks like this. So on this page, we have another two options. We can simply start by entering a keyword, or we can start by entering a website URL. So I'm going to cover both elements in this video. So let's start with the first one, start with a keyword. So on this line, I'm going to type in a keyword, which is relevant to our business. So let's just type in the keyword yoga mat, and then simply click Get Results. This is now going to show us all the keyword ideas, which are all relevant to the keyword yoga mat. Now, do bear in mind that as this is a free solution, the data it provides is a little limited. Specifically in the second column here, where it says average monthly searches. So this is actually how many times a keyword gets searched for every single month in Google. And as you can see, Google Keyword Planner, it doesn't give you the exact figures. Instead, they return pretty broad ranges, e.g. 10,000 to 100,000 searches a month. However, it's still a great indication, and will allow you to determine whether or not a keyword is popular. But using a premium tool, this premium tool will provide you with a lot more accurate data, and will actually tell you exactly how many times a keyword gets searched for every single month in Google. And of course, I'll show you how you can get access to this tool for free by utilizing a free trial. So let's get back to the video. So as you can see, we have our top keyword we entered, right here, yoga mat. Then we have best yoga mat, Manjika yoga mat. We have jade yoga mat, yoga bag, cork yoga mat, travel yoga mat, and so on and so on. So you can actually see is actually 1,842 different keyword ideas. So that is loads and loads of keyword ideas for you to sift through and see which ones are a good fit for your website. So do bear in mind, the data we are viewing now is on Google Ads. However, as we have nothing to do with Google Ads, the best thing to do is actually download all the keyword ideas, export them all, and then go through the list and see which ones are relevant to your website, and then add that to your main master sheet template, which I'll be walking you through of how to create in the next video. It's really important to note as well that we do have a column right here which says competition. However, we need to completely ignore this column, as this competition has nothing to do with SEO. This is competition for running ads for these keywords. The only column you really need to pay attention to is going to be the first column, which has all to do with keyword ideas. So if we go back one step now and go for the second option. So under Discover New Keywords, we go with Start with a Website. So we can actually go over to Google and simply plug in one of our keywords such as yoga mats. Scroll down and find the website in position 1 in organic, which is Yoga Matters. We can simply copy the link address, go back to Google Keyword Planner, plug in the URL, and then ensure we have the bottom option selected, which is this one right here, use only at this page. And then simply click Get Results. This is going to show us all the keywords, which are relevant to the URL we just plugged in. So as you can see, we now have 775 new keyword ideas, such as best yoga mat. We have yoga towel, yoga mat bag, yoga accessories, yoga equipment, and so on and so on. So this is a really good way to find tons of keywords that the websites on page 1 already appear for themselves. You can actually rinse and repeat this for any other website you see on page 1. So we've done it for Yoga Matters. We can do Amazon, we can do Argos, we can do Decathlon, plug all of those websites into Google Ads, and literally see all of the keywords. It would be the same process once you've done that. Plug in the URL, download all of the keywords, sift through the data, and then add the ones which are relevant to your main master. So as you can see, Google Keyword Planner is extremely powerful and allows you to find tons of keywords.